This is everything you need to know about the 2000s. The decade started off with the Y2K scare, a computer programming shortcut that was thought to cause havoc as the year changed from 1999 to 2000. George W. Bush is sworn into office after beating Al Gore in one of the closest elections ever. Shortly after, on September 11, 2001, terrorists from the extremist group Al-Qaeda hijacked 4 aircrafts and crashed them into the Twin Towers, the Pentagon, and a field in Somerset County, Pennsylvania, killing over 3,000 people. American troops invade Afghanistan and remove the Taliban from power, but Osama bin Laden escapes. Streetwear is cool thanks to rappers like Jay-Z and 50 Cent. Bush signs the Patriot Act, sparking decade-long controversy. Letters filled with anthrax are sent by an anonymous source to Americans across the country. Space Shuttle Columbia disintegrates as it re-enters the atmosphere, killing all on board, including Israeli astronaut Ilan Ramon. U.S. troops find and kill Iraqi President Saddam Hussein. Social networking platform Facebook launches and quickly gains popularity. YouTube and Twitter follow soon. Massachusetts becomes the first state to legalize gay marriage. Bush gets re-elected. Mariah Carey's song We Belong Together tops the charts and becomes the #1 song of the decade. The iPhone is invented by Apple and makes communicating easier than ever. Hurricane Katrina wreaks havoc on the New Orleans area, killing 1,800 Americans and causing billions of dollars in damage. The PlayStation 3 and the Nintendo Wii are released 2 days apart, and the gaming console war begins. Rickrolling is the new big thing. The stock market crashes largely due to the subprime mortgage crisis and an economic disaster known as the Great Recession. Barack Obama is elected as president. The swine flu breaks out, infecting millions across the globe. The 2000s saw huge innovation largely due to the rise in popularity of the internet. Anyone was able to communicate with anyone else anywhere in the world at any time. A motto that fits well with this is, "What is now proved was only once imagined," by William Blake. And finally, here's a timeline of the most significant events in the decade. And that's everything you need to know about the 2000s. Thank you for watching.